458. A barn to house thee. Chalcedon Report number 447, December 2002. There was no room for him once long ago, only a cold and draughty barn, and like a blow, the smell of dung did greet. Him who came from heaven, none to meet him, save the displaced cows and sheep, whose restless night disturbed his sleep. Only some sheepmen came to pray, whose scholars came to mark the day. Still, as of old, the world denies room to its king, and from him shies, the cross his only gift from men, and man as brutal now as then. Lord, if again a barn do not offend thee, this dung and filth would comprehend thee. Here is my heart, with its unclean floor, a barn to house thee, as of yore.